Never thought a cookie recipe could get me emotional. Hello everybody, welcome to our kitchen. It's Chloe and Barry, the internet father, dad, here.
Whatever.
Today we're doing a very special video. The other day I was editing the 4-3-2-1 video, which was the second to last video I put up if you haven't seen it already, and Chloe walks in with some cookies. Daddy, I baked these cookies, and I'm like, yo, try that. And no joke, it was the best ever tasting cookie I have ever had. And I've had a lot of cookies in my time, Chloe, let me tell you. It was chewy, it was soft, it was gooey, it was tender. I ate it and it slid down my body, and I just wanted it to go, not back up, but I just wanted to just maintain that experience for my living soul for the rest of my life. It was that good. Now there is that old age tale that if you try and repeat a recipe the same, exactly the same steps, typically, it's kind of like an old wives' tale. Do you know what an old wife is? Don't say that. It never ever tastes the same. So I had an idea, right? This is our Tenacious D tribute to your chocolate chip cookies. It's an amazing song. It's the greatest song in the world. All right.
Is it being acted out?
It's a music video.
That's not actually Jack Black's brother, is it?
The point is, this recipe might not be exactly the same. I really want it to be, but it's a tribute to the greatest chocolate chip in the world. All right.
What if it doesn't be the same taste?
Then we do it again and again until you get it right. Understand? Yes. No, we will do our best to nail it, okay? I'll just do your best. The only thing to say is it does contain peanut butter. So if someone has a nut allergy, what could they replace it with?
Nutella. Oh wait, that's already got nuts in it.
Okay, good.
Put no peanut butter in it.
Oh yeah, I guess you could. Let's get going, Chloe.
The greatest song in the world is tribute.
Right, get your ingredients then. Big old bowl, I reckon you're going to need.
We're going to weigh all of our ingredients off camera.
Yeah.
But first of all, you need 110 grams of light brown sugar.
Okay, great. So yeah, we'll do all the other weighing off camera. But this is a combination of the light brown sugar with the classic granulated, which is typically really popular in a cookie. It gives you that sort of nice flavour as well, and the colour too. Like a big pile of sand, mate. Oh. I'm not sure what gave it that sort of chewy gooiness. I'm thinking, because this is a fairly classic cookie recipe, but with the peanut butter in there as well, that just made it gooey, or you just undercooked it. You might have underbaked it, mate.
You think about what you say, young lad. So, your ingredients for today are a bag of chocolate chips, some vanilla extract, butter softened, an egg, peanut butter, salt, bicarbonate of soda, light brown sugar, normal sugar, and flour. And make sure that we don't overmix the flour.
Is that the trick, is it?
Yes, you can't overmix it because then it won't be too good, I guess.
To give us the best chance, I want to replicate this perfectly. Okay. What mixing bowl did you use?
We used the grey one.
Grey one? We don't have a grey one. Ah, you mean this thing? Ugh. Nice. Plop. Look at that. Plop.
Now.
Is that all of it? I want every ounce in it. I want us to... I've never been so worried about trying to make something work. But then again, if you didn't do this anyway, you probably just chucked it in, didn't you?
Light brown sugar and normal sugar.
Nice. Now that's mixed, good work. Just found some peanut butter for dogs that the dogs do absolutely love. I think it is just not... We didn't use this, did you?
Don't think so.
Oh, it's like the tub's nearly gone.
Oh no. Now we can finally put everything else in.
Okay.
I'm gonna first crack the egg. I think I got no shell in.
Well, did you get shell in it before? That might have been that hidden crunch.
No. Bicarbonate of soda.
Nice.
Vanilla extract.
There's a drop. Yeah, that'll do.
That's more a spill.
Okay. So I put that on the recipe. 1 spill.
Salt.
Salt. Nice.
If you want, you can do a salt bay unnecessarily.
Amazing. That's. I don't know where you got that from. That's brilliant. Thanks.
You do your peanut butter.
And this is just crunchy, yeah?
Yes.
But you could use smooth. What I liked there was those nut elements in there. I liked it, mate. It was cheeky. Right. Mix it in then.
No, because we need to preheat the oven to 170 fan.
What now?
Now. No.
Oh, look around, Chloe. Wave. I can see you. 170 fan, alright. So now can we whisk it in?
Yes, but we've got to do it on low in case the egg goes like...
Explosion.
No, this is not a time for dad jokes.
Let's show what that looks like, mate. That looks amazing.
Oh, yummy.
Wow.
Okay, now what we do is we just add in the flour.
So that's plain flour, yeah? So not self-raising or anything? No crazy stuff?
It's got no raisins in it.
No raisins. Dad joke club.
It's a joke. Make sure it's on the low setting.
Are you sure this is the same as before? These look quite, I don't know, they almost like oatmeal cookies.
Yep, I'm sure.
You sure?
I'm testing if this is real chocolate chips. Actually, I'll get...
Mate, I'm pretty certain they are chocolate chips.
We don't need our whisker now.
What, so you want me to put, basically politely telling me to put that away?
Yeah, shoo it away. Shoo it out of my sight.
Shoot.
Shoo.
That's not, we didn't use a very oily peanut butter because some of the ones that we've used before have been cheap when we've used peanut butter on different things, and the one we use is quite a well-known brand, so I guess there is the oil in there, but if it is too oily you could probably add more flour or something. What are you doing? Okay?
Oh.
Mate,
Yeah?
the oven's preheated.
Yeah? And what do we do now?
Well, you tell me.
Oh yeah, we'll put them in the oven.
You got to stop eating that mix, mate.
But it's so yummy.
Alright, I get the ice cream scoop.
Yes.
So you're gonna, that's how you portioned it out. Why have you got a glass? I've not seen that before.
Well, I'll tell you in a minute. You just dump it on the tray. Then...
Not rolling it with your hands or anything?
No. I'm having that one.
Chloe, that's not a cookie, that's a bag of chocolate chips. Got 12 cookies. Alright, and what's the glass then? What's going on here?
Okay. So what we do now is we get it and we just do a little thing like that.
Right, okay.
Just a little bit like that.
So it's still quite fat.
Like that, like a little bit.
And what does that do?
Oh, it just makes it into the shape. You don't like push it down or anything.
Nice.
It's quite a good technique.
It is. Chloe just asked me off camera if she could have her own section on the channel where she just does cookies.
Yeah.
Just feel like Chloe's cookies.
Now we're going to put them in for the oven for exactly 10 minutes.
Exactly 10?
Yeah.
Is that what you did? Did you put a timer on everything?
Yeah, well, I'm going to put timer on.
10 minutes exactly?
Yes.
This feels really weird. Hi. Stop it. Just the whole point of you holding the camera then was so that you could do the timer and I could put them in the oven, and I ended up doing both.
I just want to
And now you're eating chocolate chips.
That's the best part.
Look at them, they are looking amazing. The height, you know, nice big old flat, like a coaster of cookie. So I'm going to take them out at 10 minutes. I think I've lost her for a couple of minutes. Oh my gosh. Yeah. They're done. They're lightly brown, mate. Can you have a little look, see what you think? We put the other tray in on the lower shelf, so we're going to have to give that an extra minute or two.
I'm having that one.
Yeah, there is one that's absolutely laced, but they look great. They've held their shape, a little bit of crackage and a teeny bit of light browning on it. I can't remember the colour massively, but they look
amazing.
They look amazing. They look how they were before. Thank you. My gosh, Chloe. They look outstanding.
Thank you.
I really want that one though.
Oh, keep your eyes off that. That's mine.
See, here's the thing, folks. As we sort of pan across them, I mean, this one's heavily chocolate chipped. They're sort of crinkled, lightly browned, but they look so innocent, so randomized, so simple. But that's how it was when it was presented to me before. And I can't wait to taste these. So now they're cooled down fully. Let's give them a try. And yeah, Chloe certainly has her eye on this one. It's amazing how they've just like dolloped on there, squished with the glass, but they're still super symmetrical as well. Love it. They look so good. And they're still slightly warmed.
Can we just eat it now?
We can. Have you got that chocolate laced one?
Yes, it's just literally full of chocolate.
It is. The smell of freshly baked cookie, no matter how you make them generally, as long as you don't burn them, is fantastic. And there is that. There is a slight peanutty smell to it.
You can smell it. It's like peanut butter.
But I didn't really get the taste of it when I had it before. So
let's try it.
Let's try it. Oh my gosh.
amazing.
Never thought a cookie recipe could get me emotional. They are
Stonkin.
Stonkin, the greatest cookie in the world. All right.
Lemon Stonkin.
I mean, I just think you've just there's something about this. A nice break is a slight. The camera won't really pick it up, but a chewiness to it, like not a raw, but like a just sort of just part baked vibe with a nuttiness, a chocolate oozy, a comforting. Oh, that is outstanding. It is genuinely. I mean, everyone has their own perfect version of what a cookie should be, and of course, the peanut will throw up some issues for some people, but unbelievable. And that was so simple to make. Even a 60-year-old could do it.
I'm not 60. You're not going to eat that cookie, I'm going to eat it.
No, I'm going to eat it. Apparently, there are some like nut-free peanut butter alternatives, so that's one thing that someone could put in there. But Chloe, I think now it is your turn to challenge people to make these.
You make these, or I will come into your house at night and I will haunt your dreams.
Right, okay, that's fine. Haunting the dreams. I wasn't sure where you were going with that.
If you make them, if you don't make them, it's fine.
If you don't make them, that's fine, but I will come into your house and haunt your dreams.
No, but just know that they're amazing.
Okay.
Just keep that in your head, okay?
Brilliant. Well, thank you so much for watching. Do give these a try. If you do, tag us on social media on your favourite platform of choice. We're everywhere, as you know. But Chloe, were these the greatest cookies in the world? All right.
Yeah!
Check your level, player. No matter what your style, the kitchen's for me. Simon's moustache, goatee, maybe all three.
Anything you'd like to say?
I like chocolate.